Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie, one of the NetSuite consultants at Concentris, and in this video I'll be demonstrating how to use the Allow Non-GL Changes feature in NetSuite. So currently I'm logged into a demo environment under the administrator role, and the first thing we want to do is make sure that all of the appropriate accounting periods that we want to make non-GL changes to have that setting enabled. So we'll navigate to Setup, Accounting, and Manage Accounting Periods. And we'll see all of our fiscal years that we have set up in the system. So if we take a look at fiscal year of 2024, you'll see that all of the periods have been closed out. And you'll also notice this column here that says Allow Non-GL Changes. And you will see that May 2024 through November 2024 have that setting checked. Now, if we want to enable that setting for any other periods, we will click into that period and check this box right here. So once we click Save, we will see that it has been updated on our list for April 2024. Now, once we make sure that all of the accounting periods have the appropriate setting, we also want to make sure that the user roles that should have the ability to make non-GL changes also have that specific permission. So currently in this system, this controller role right here has that specific permission. So I'm going to show you which one that is. We'll navigate to Setup, Users Roles, and Manage Roles. And I'm going to click into our controller role here. And down in the Permissions tab, we'll click into the Setup subtab. And the specific permission we're looking for is this Allow Non-GL Changes. So you want to make sure that all of the users and all of the roles that you would like to allow non-GL changes or make them, give them the ability to make non-GL changes, right? Have this role and it only has one level, which is full. So once we make sure we give the appropriate permissions to the appropriate roles, I'm going to log into that control role to demonstrate a non-GL impact and change, and I will use a bill for this example. So I'll navigate to Transactions, Payables, enter Bills and List. So in this list here, we can already see that December actually was one of the periods in 2024 that did not have the Allow Non-GL Changes checked, but we did have it checked for the period of October 2024. So you can already see that the edit functionality is removed for the bills that were posted in December 2024, but we still have it available for the one that was posted in October. So you'll still see that edit button here. Now, once we click edit, it will still give you the warning pop-up that says it is in a period that has been closed already. Now we just click OK. And you'll see that these fields are still available for us to make changes to. Now, even if the amount button is not grayed out, we can still make a change. Let's say that I changed it to 9,000 instead. If I try to save this record, it will pop up the standard message that it has already been paid in full. But even if we click OK, it will show a notice message saying that the GL impact of a transaction in a closed period cannot be changed. So it will still prevent you from making any GL impacting changes. But let's say that we just wanted to change the reference number and perhaps the memo. I will actually change this back to 10,000. And we try to click save. It will show up that standard paid in full message once again. But once we click OK, this time around, it will actually allow you to save the record with those appropriate changes. Right? So that is the process of allowing non-GL changes in NetSuite. Thanks for listening.